This is a quick video on how you can combine two pieces of filament using just a PTF tube and a heat source. This is an advice, please do at your own risk. If you're not comfortable with sharp objects or flame, please do not attempt. So the only things you're going to need is a little piece of PTFE tubing. I like to put a slice in it so I can remove it easily. A pair of clippers, and a heat source. You could use a candle, a heat gun, whatever you'd like. So the very first thing is to get your two pieces of filament. And then you want to cut a 45-degree angle on each so that they line up. I like to do it so they line up with a curve. This one actually looks like it's okay already. So if you can see, they're gonna line up just like that, right there. And then you want to get your piece of Bowden tube and apply it onto one side. And then we're just gonna warm up both ends on the flame. You want to make sure they don't start on fire, but that they do get a little bit squishy. And once they start to squish up a little bit, you want to be ready to put them both into this PTFE tube. Okay, so it looks like they're starting to get squishy. So now we'll put it into the PTFE tube. Okay, and I'm holding them together while also squeezing and rotating the tube. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. So there we go, they're combined. It's not the prettiest job ever, but they're combined. And this step is optional. I like to then trim this down and sometimes sandpaper it. And that's just because I have a direct drive, but I have a Bowden set up, and I still want it to be able to go through. So I get a razor and I just real lightly shave down the excess. And I like to do it from both sides. Until it feels pretty uniform all around. Okay, so they're pretty nicely combined. You could also take some sandpaper and just so that feels pretty good. And then I just test to make sure it's going to go through the PTFE tubing. And it's a little tight. I'm just going to shave a little, like if I was actually going to use this, I just shave a little bit more and sandpaper a little bit more. That's not going anywhere. So hopefully if you need to combine two pieces of filament, this video helps you. I have a really large print going right now. And I ran out of white filament. I didn't want to pause the print and do a filament exchange, so I learned how to do this procedure. Hopefully it helps. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. for more 3D printing and 3D printing tips.